Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, guys, this section in this particular topic, we are gonna discuss a brief overview on a Maven. The reason why I'm covering here is a few people asked me in a comments basically how I am creating a Maven project without having a context. That's the reason I was just giving a brief overview on that. If at all you have an idea on a Maven, so kindly skip this particular topic. Okay, if you are having a prior experience and if you have a knowledge on a Maven, all those things, right, you can skip this particular topic. So basically, what is a Maven? So Maven is a build automation tool which take cares of all the steps that are required in building a particular process. And of course, the most important thing that we are using here is using this Maven, we can manage all the dependencies, all the jar files that are required for the project, and even we can build and publish the artifacts of a Java project in a jar files basically. Okay, so the Maven contains the most important file, which is a .xml file, project object model.xml file, which has all the configurations that are required for the entire project, and even it also has the dependencies that are required to work on this particular project. Okay, and while creating a project in your Eclipse editor, you need to select the archetype, and of course, every archetype has its own folder directory structure, and of course the group id represents the package structure and the artifact id represents the name of that particular project whatever we are using. Ideally, if at all you want to create a Maven based project, right, go to new go to file, go to new, one second, file, new, others, a Maven based project. I was just using this Maven based project. So if at all you are having any artifacts ID, right? So while creating a karate, so I was just searching whether we have anything related to karate. The search results are populating from where I can picking up my artifact ID related to karate. See, basically com dot in into IT dot a karate. So this is the one that I am choosing basically. Depending on your need, you can choose one. Automatically it will be creating a project for us. Okay, automatically it will be creating a Maven based project for us. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is let me try to create a normal Java based project. So here I was just giving a Maven archetype and even the quick start. So basically com.apache.maven archetypes is the one that I'm choosing right now. See here the group ID, I'm just leaving it as a scripts, and the package ID Maven demo project. Okay, the Maven demo project is the one that I'm giving it up, and I'm clicking on a finish. See, basically guys, earlier in the previous screen in the filters, basically if you want to create any kind of a configuration related to karate, you can give it as a karate. That's it. Automatically the karate relevant the directories, the folder structures would be created. And if you see right now, I have given a Maven demo project, and Maven demo project got a created src main java, where the main the complete content code will be there. Src test java, where the complete test stuff related will be there. And in the pom.xml file, if you have a look into the pom.xml file, this is the key thing where exactly we are going to maintain all the project specific dependencies here. See, basically here we do have a dependency related to 4.11. So as and when we have specified the required dependencies here, automatically it will download all the jar files dependencies into the local .m2 folder under the Maven dependencies. Immediately a quick question that comes in our mind, Surendra, how would I know the dependencies? Right, ideally we have an mvnrepository.com where exactly you can search for the desired dependencies. So here I'm searching for JUnit. As and when I'm searching for the JUnit, the bunch of available versions for the JUnit is being populated. If you see your Eclipse editor, we already have a JUnit 4.11 version. And whenever I expanded the Maven dependencies, right, it has a 4.11 related jar files. The latest version is a 4.13.2. Choose this 4.13.2, and if you scroll down, the dependency is there. Directly copy this dependency, come back to your editor, replace the existing dependency, save it. As in when you save it, automatically from the Maven central repository, it's gonna download the specified jar files and it is updating the Maven dependencies folder in our local. So this is the way how exactly you can manage your dependencies using this particular Maven, guys. Okay, good enough. And after that, the next and the most important build phases that we need to focus are the various build life cycles that we have in a Maven are validate, clean, compile, test, package, verify, install, and deploy. Among all these build phases, we are gonna clean the project to clean up the complete project. We are gonna compile the Java files basically, and using this Maven test, right, whatever the test content is there, okay, the test classes are there inside this src test Java, your Maven will be executing all those things. Ideally, whenever you are integrating with this ci cd, or whenever you are trying to trigger the content from the command prompt, you will be using this particular information. Okay, perfect. For now, what exactly we need to know is how can I create a Maven based project, and from where exactly I'm getting my pom.xml information, and how exactly I'm maintaining my dependencies is the most important thing, guys. Okay, perfect. Done the deal then. See you in the next session. Thank you.